אנגלית, שאלון ד', מודיול D, גרסה א', חורף תשע"א, 2011. הוראות מיוחדות. 1. עליך לכתוב את כל תשובותיך בגוף השאלון במקומות המיועדים לכך. 2. כתוב את כל תשובותיך באנגלית ובעת בלבד. אסור להשתמש בטיפקס. 3. בתום הבחינה החזר את השאלון למשגיח. ההנחיות בשאלון זה מנוסחות בלשון זכר ומכוונות לנבחנות ולנבחנים כאחד.
Part 1. Access to information from written text. Read the book review below and then answer questions 1 to 7. Rooms with clues. Have you ever wondered what your room says about you? Or perhaps you would like to be able to find out about a colleague's personality just by looking at his desk. If so, Snoop is for you. In this entertaining and well-written book, psychologist Sam Gosling explains how much we can all learn about people from their personal surroundings. When psychologists want to find out about people's personalities, they usually ask them to fill in a standard written questionnaire. But according to Gosling, there is another way to do it, which is both quicker and simpler. All you have to do, he says, is snoop. Look for clues in the places where people live or work. His conclusion is based on numerous studies that showed how our personalities are expressed in our living and working spaces. In one study, Gosling's team looked at the bedrooms of college students and rated various features. How clean was the room? What kind of furniture did it have? How many photographs were displayed? The researchers also gave the participants the standard personality test. Then they compared the results of that test with what they had observed in the rooms. In some cases, they were surprised by what they found. For example, they expected friendly students to paint their rooms in warm colors, but they discovered that the color of the walls didn't say much about friendliness. A better indication was the furniture. Friendly students were much more likely to have comfortable furniture than unfriendly ones. By pointing out such clues to personality, Snoop can help you get a much better understanding of the people around you. But even if you don't make practical use of the information, you should definitely read the book because it focuses on a topic that all of us find fascinating, ourselves. Questions. Answer questions 1 to 7 in English according to the book review. In questions 1, 4, and 6, circle the number of the correct answer. In the other questions, follow the instructions. 1. What does the reviewer explain in lines 1 to 4? 1. What your room says about your personality. 2. Why psychologists are interested in personality. 3. How the reader's questions helped Gosling. 4. What Gosling's book is about. 2. Complete the sentence. The phrase, another way to do it, line 7, means another way to 3. What do we learn about the study described in lines 11 to 19? Put a V by the 2 correct answers. 1. How the researchers were chosen. 2. Why they worked with college students. 3. How the study was done. 4. Who did best on the test. 5. What surprised the participants. 6. What the researchers found out. 4. The questions in lines 12 and 13 are given as examples of questions which 1. Are hard for students to answer. 2. Are asked in all personality tests. 3. Gosling's team used in the study. 4. Gosling's team asked the students. 5. Complete the sentence according to lines 16 to 19. In Gosling's study, comfortable furniture was often a sign of 6. We can understand from the review that Gosling wrote Snoop for 1. The general public. 2. Psychologists. 3. College students. 4. Office workers. 7. Why does the reviewer like Snoop? Give 2 reasons. Take your answers from 2 different paragraphs. Part 2, Written Presentation. Write 100 to 120 words in English on the following topic. 8. Your friend has saved some money and can't decide whether to take a trip or to buy a computer. He or she wants your advice. Write a letter telling your friend what you think. You may write about one or more of the following. Why your friend should use the money for a trip. Why your friend should use the money for a computer. What else your friend can use the money for. Use this page and the next, pages 5 and 6, for writing a rough draft.
בהצלחה.